Hello children, this is video 10. In video 9 we did the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and now we are going to do some problems on it. And in your textbook there are some example problems. Evaluate. See how I am going to do this. You have to see now. We are going to use just what you have learnt in the last video, in video 9. Now evaluate tan 65 by cot 25 degrees. See, you should try to remember now. Now tan 65 is some angle like A, how we got in what is that, in the last video. Now tan A can be written as cot of, tan will become cot, I had told you. It will be cot of 90 minus A. But A here it is 65. So tan 65 means I can write it as cot 90 minus 65. You can write like this. In the last video I've learnt, divide by cot 25 will be kept as it is. Now out of these two, one you have to just change according to complementary angle. That both you should not change, only one you have to change. So tan 65, either tan 65 you can write as cot of 90 minus 65, or you can write cot 25, any one. I told you cot means it would have become tan of 90 minus 25. So any one I told you. Now this is equal to cot of, we have changed, no? Now cot of 90 minus 65. What is 90 minus 65? It is 25. Now we are going to write in the next step the exact value of it. So cot of 90 minus 65, it is cot 25, and in the denominator we already have cot 25 there. So any one you have to change, I told, no, that is because of this, so that they will cancel, and now this will both cancel and you will get 1 as the answer. So the answer of this, evaluate what they have given here, its value is 1. Understood, children? So this is one problem what I have done now. Now second problem, we'll go to some problem from the textbook also. See another problem now. Sin 18. Okay, I'll take this now. Sin 18 by cos 72. Okay, this is equal to, according to the last video, sin 18 will be cos of, sin will become cos. If there is cos here, then it will become sin. If it is tan, it will become cot. Cot, if it is cot, then you are going to change, you have to write tan. So I have already taught you this just now. Now sin 18 is cos 90 minus 18. 18 only you have to write here, by cos 72 will be written as it is, because any one has to be changed, I just now told you. So this is equal to, please learn it nicely, write and learn. Now cos of 90 minus 18 is nothing but cos 72, and down we have just kept as it is, I told you. That's why we keep it as it is like this. Now both of these will cancel and you get the answer 1. So that's all. Now third problem. It can be, what is that, only division sum, it's not like that. There can be a sum like this also. Now you see, cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. Cos 48 minus sin 42. So here it is minus. There may be plus or minus, anything it can have. So cos 40, any one you have to change, I told you. So call any one, either this or this, any one. Now cos 48 I will change. Okay, I will write it as sin of 90 minus 48 minus sin 42. I will keep it as it is. Okay, now this is equal to sin of 90 minus 48 is 90 minus 48 is 42. So sin 42 you get Again you have one nice sine 42 beforehand here only. Now what happens, this and this cancels, and since there is minus plus and everything cancels, the answer should be written as 0. If it is upon like this division, then if it cancels, no, you have to write 1. You have learnt in lower classes and all this rule. Even in our previous chapters it has come. Okay, now cos 48 minus sine 42 is 0 you have got. Now if you want, you could have changed sine 42. In that case, what I'll do, I'll show you that here. Cos 48 you have to keep as it is. I told you, change any one, I told you. So cos 48 if you keep as it is, then minus sine 42 will be cos of 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42. Okay, then it will be what? Cos 48 will remain as it is minus cos 90 minus 42, that is 48 only, 48 degrees. Now cos 48 minus cos 48, it will cancel and come 0. So either in this way or this way. Any one you have to change, I told you. Now fourth sum. There are some important sums here also. Little change now. I am going to do this now. If this is an example problem. If sine 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26 degrees. This is worked example of example 10, where 3a is an acute angle. Okay, if it is an acute angle, don't worry, let us do the sum. Find the value of angle A. Find the value of angle A. So there is a way to do this sum. Of course, complementary angle concept only you are going to use here also. Now if sine 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26, either this or this you have to change. Now I am going to change this. Sine 3a, I can write it as, see, I will write now, sine 3a, I will write it as cos of 90 minus 3a. You know, sine has to be written as cos. 3a must be written as 90 minus 3a. Now this is equal to cos of a minus 26 degrees. So now cos of this is equal to cos of this. This was equal to this you wrote. Now this is equal to this. So what you should do? Both sides you are having cos here. So put those values which are in the brackets. 90 minus 3a is equal to, I hope you can see, a minus 26. Just what is inside here, you equate them. Now take everything on one side. So on one side means the minus 3a you take it to the other side, 26 you bring this side. So 90 plus 26, it is equal to, solve it, that's all, 3a plus a, which is equal to 4a. 90 plus 26 will be 116. So I will write here at this side 116, it is equal to 4a. So a is equal to 116 by 4. 116 by 4, and it will be equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So A is equal to 29 degrees. It's an acute angle, you have got the answer. So A is equal to 29. This is the way to do the sum. This is little slightly different. All are different type of sums, and this is the way to do such a type of sum. Okay children, only you can learn these sums only if you do. If you do and do and learn, then only you will remember all this. Okay. Now what they have given here, there is a one sum here, example 11. Express, see what they have given here. Express cot 85 degrees plus cos 75, okay, in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. 0 and 45, surely we can do. Now cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Means you have to convert them in such a way that you'll get the answer of the angles between 0 and 45. That we can easily do. Now cot 85 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. It can be written as cot will become tan of 90 minus 85 plus this cos will become sine now. Sine, when you can write sine? Only when you write 90 minus 75. You will learn this in the ninth video. So this is equal to tan of 90 minus 85 is just 5 degrees. So you have got an acute angle which is in between 0 and 45. So you have expressed that what they had given here, you have expressed in this angle between 0 and 45. Now sine 90 minus 75 is sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees. Finished. The sum is over. Okay, children. So like this, in that exercise 11.3, there are some problems still, different type of sums. So we shall do now some more sums of that exercise. So exercise 11.3. Okay, it's just 11.41 minutes. So now the very first sum I have done in that exercise, evaluate first one. See, you can, I have also been telling you, you have to keep the textbook before you. Now first is I have done the first one. Second, tan 26 and cot 64. It is very easy, just like the first one which I did. Third one I have done. Fourth one also you can do. Now show that. Second problem, show that. First one is already, I have done 2 sums there. You can do the other 2 just like that only. Show that tan 48, okay, into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 degrees, it is equal to 1. You have to show the product of all these 4 will become 1. You have to show that. So now you have to be careful, so that you have to change 2 values here. Let's see, you have to use your little sense now. Tan 48 will be cot 90 minus 48. So cot 90 minus 48 into cot tan 23 means what? Cot 90 minus 23. Okay, I won't change now. Tan 42 into tan 67, I'll keep as it is. Why I am keeping those 2 as it is, you will come to know now. And cot 90 minus 48 will be cot 42 into cot 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Now you know tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. Now cot 42, I can write it as 1 by tan 42. 1 by tan 42, or I could have written tan 42 as 1 by cot 42. So anything, because they are reciprocals of each other, so change any 2. Now cot 67 is 1 by tan 67 into tan 42, keep it as it is, the other 2, tan 67. Now what happens? This and this cancels, this and this cancels, so it is equal to 1. Such an easy sum. See children. Okay, now one more I will do. If third one means the second one, in the second one, second. Okay, cos 38, it is just like this only. Cos 38 into cos 52, it's time, but even then let's see fast. Sin 38 into sine 52, it is equal to 0, you have to prove. So I either change this or this now. So cos 38, it will be sine 90 minus 38. Cos 52, you write it as sine 90 minus 52. Leave this as it is. Sine 38 into sine 52. So this will become sine 52 into sine 38 minus sine 38 into sine 52. So what happens now? This value and this value both are same. Both are same there. So that is why answer is 0. Because since there is minus, this whole thing is one item. This is also one term. Both terms cancel each other and you get 0. So that is the end of this video. So let us stop now. Okay.